Welcome to JH. Today we are looking into Valuchi watches, an online store that claims to offer stylish and affordable timepieces for anyone who wants to look high-end on a budget. They feature collections like the Lunar Calendar and Datum series, supposedly crafted from stainless steel and sapphire crystal. It all sounds very sophisticated, doesn't it? Almost as if they spent more on the marketing than the actual clockwork. But the big question remains, is this website actually legitimate? Or are you just buying a shiny paperweight? Let's find out together. First, we checked the website's domain history. It was registered back in 2018, which is practically ancient in internet years. A site that has survived this long usually has more credibility than a brand new pop-up shop, or at the very least, they haven't been chased off the web by an angry mob yet. Consistency is key, and people tend to stick around when a business is doing something right. Next, we looked at their social media presence. Valuchi Watches is active on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, boasting over 83,000 followers on Instagram alone. That's a lot of people looking at watch photos instead of doing their actual jobs. An active social media presence is generally a good sign, as it shows they are at least pretending to listen to their audience. We also dug into their About Us page and found that the site was registered by Kelvin Dijkhuizen. We even tracked down his LinkedIn profile, because nothing says trustworthy like a professional headshot and a list of skills. Knowing there is a real human being behind the brand adds a layer of transparency that you don't often see with fly-by-night operations. It's always nice to see a face behind the business, even if it's just so you know who to tag in your complaint posts. They also offer a live chat option and a physical address, suggesting they are ready to help, or at least have a very nice office to ignore your emails from. Now, here is where things get interesting. The user reviews. Their own website shows over 400 reviews, and remarkably, every single one is 5 stars. It's a miracle. Since a perfect track record is usually a fairy tale, we dug deeper and checked Trustpilot. Over there, reality hits hard with a 3.3-star rating and a very mixed bag of feedback. While some customers genuinely love the design and quality, others are venting about poor communication, delayed shipments, and return policies that seem to require a law degree to navigate. It seems your experience depends entirely on whether the stars align the day you hit order. So, what is the final verdict? Valuchi Watches appears to be a legitimate brand rather than a total scam. They have years of history, an active social presence, and a founder who isn't hiding in the shadows. However, those mixed reviews mean their service can be about as consistent as a broken watch. If you are thinking of buying, proceed with a healthy dose of caution and maybe a backup plan for your wrist. That is all for today. If you found this reality check helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We have more honest reviews coming your way, so stay tuned.